Hi, I'm Jeannie Marie, and I am super excited to be joining you at Stonebridge for your week-long missions conference in October. So, I help people offer Jesus in winsome and natural ways across the street and around the world with confidence and courage and lots of spiritual intentionality. And it's all focused on the 2 billion people with least access to Jesus. So I'm going to tell you all about that and give you some practical encouragement and advice and things that you can do right where you are. We'll be talking about God's heart for the nations and what that means for you. And we're going to dive into discipling people well, cultivating cross-cultural disciples, and just some really practical ways that you can make international friends right where you are and start sharing Jesus with them in simple and winsome ways. And then I'll also be sharing about surrendering, the kinds of things that you need to surrender in order to get all that Jesus has for you when you walk the road of going across the street and around the world. We want to offer Jesus and the kingdom of God to those who do not have access. And we can have a role in this. Every one of us can have a role in this. And I hope to inspire you and encourage you. Everything that I'm sharing is based on my book, Across the Street and Around the World, Following Jesus to the Nations in Your Neighborhood and Beyond. And so I'm excited to be spending the week with you.